Fennel and milk for back pain relief. Using fennel saunf and milk is a traditional and effective home remedy for back pain. This natural solution not only alleviates pain but also strengthens bones and muscles. Benefits of fennel and milk for back pain 1. Benefits of fennel. Fennel has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce muscle stiffness and inflammation. It improves blood circulation, providing relief to strained back muscles. 2. Benefits of milk. Milk is rich in calcium and vitamin D, which strengthens bones and helps reduce back pain. It provides energy and relieves muscle fatigue. How to use fennel and milk for back pain 1. Fennel milk tea. Add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds to a glass of milk. Boil the milk for 5 to 7 minutes. Add honey or sugar to taste and drink it warm. Consume daily, either in the morning or before bedtime. 2. Fennel powder with milk. Mix 1 teaspoon of fennel powder into a glass of warm milk. Drink it for quick relief from back pain.